up guys? So for today's video ay we're going to our worker house at we're gonna give a gift to them. So isa-isahin namin yung kanilang bahay para mamahagi ng kanilang pamasko. So I and Dad, my love Bernard, and my mom is there. So see you guys. I will show you on the way. Let's go. So nauna sila at titignan natin ang kanilang binagsakyang tricycle. So, sabi ko sa kanila mauna sila, then susunod kami. Wow, they are so fast. I cannot see them. This is Manong Jojo, one of our worker using my father bike. Then there the tricycle, green tricycle. We just follow them, go through their house. And we are here at the man-made forest. Look how wonderful here. And this is the famous road here in La Union. Oh, okay, so we are here. So how? So we're gonna park the car here. Oh, there. He's calling Michael now. Oh, there. Michael is there.
Okay, that's
Oh, there. Park there. You go there now. You put your car. There.
Hey, go down.
Oh.
Actually, don't need lah. Just ask him to take one.
No, you can put there also. Then he just get the rice now. Yeah. Okay. So he stay here. Wow. Oh, this is the house. Our next destination. Who is our next destination here? Whose house? Jojo. Kin balay. Let's go. You carry the rice na. Kanya bandang. Ati balay da.
Balay mi.
Okay. Malakad ta. Di balay na gam ni Chaolin. Ban. Tati balay na. Next. Ni Manong Jojo ngay.
Jojo the cycling?
Yeah. Maybe later na. Never mind, later na.
Standing
We go there. Never mind, just follow him. The Jojo restaurant.
If you're traveling, I can just stop.
Wait. This maybe next is Rolly na. Rolly house. Oh yeah, the Jojo is they get to Jojo already. Huh? Next is Jojo. Jojo house. Oh yeah. The brother here. Yeah, this is the house. Sige man ang alam. Oh, this is the house. See, I told you, yeah. One, thank you. To Dennis and Uncle Jun.
Naka-standard yun na.
Wah, ada whose house? Wah,
Mga makas...
enjoy, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
So see you tomorrow.
Ini mak nomor dia.
Okay na.
Take one.
Bye. See you.
Oh, worker, work so hard.
Thank you very much.
You work hard. Everybody got one. All the worker got one.
Lupigat, anak mo yung makastrukta.
One.
Eh, nangay. Data na eh. Ada teka.
Welcome back.